Abay tino no.
Sini Kanchanpur subdivision Satnala Bazar Samo Chungkiha Tini 25 November TPF by Kabo Moje All Tripura Bon Nitoya Chungpo Tini Oro TPF Kanchanpur subdivision Ningya Chung Boro Tini Chung Lama Block Helayo Chung Lama Block Helaimo ni karon ke Laithanai 21 November ro je Nagorik Suraka Monchoro Mizu Convention ro bo draw indefinite strike kayen national highway blockage ke pu je arwo government ro by armed force ro by aro bro kaulai sulai mak mi khayong ha khengke arwo wainsa phono ke ha thoya ingke chini Biswajit Deborma fair service ke tonai abo bung thuimoni khadumoni ba ya chung abo bini justice man bo pandawo chung tinio chungbo TPF Kanchanpur subdivision nungya chungbo road blockage khelayo keomi tinio bo chung road blockage khemo abo pho chung tre being political ni ba tre mo tharau ni dengke chung ba like tulai abo dengke ohongkari babayo chung kheya tinio chungbo strike khemo chung peacefully normally kheye chung jehetu benbai ba like tulai krimani kheye chungbo chini justice mani thui thanai chini mchang Biswajit Debormani kaham khe justice man pandawo je chung tini bo road blockage khemo chung kaham khe peacefully khe chung pairini chongo chung boro kuno communal feeling pho chung tui saya tini tribal Bengali chung joto no chung mile to nai chung thalaya to nai bo pandawo se tini chung tribal Bengali chung phelaya chung boro tre situation wars khe tini ro danga hanga khen man bo pandawo ya arang me joto no chini jang north district ni joto je wainsa tribal Bengali tonema joto no bo je tabo chungbo Facebook like dem je kausamo abono joto no accept kheneng tho joto no kaham khema ni neng tho tini bo 12 hours bon khemono ke basu saino ang joto no khakchamo ria ai ko no paire
Jam khod.
This is Satnala Dosda Kanchanpur Road, Satnala, in between Dosda and Kanchanpur, and this road blockade is in support of statewide ban organized by TPF in protest against the barbaric murder of Biswajit Deborma in the road Rasta Roko Andolan organized by Joint Movement Committee of Kanchanpur, namely Nagorik Surkha Mancho and Mizo Convention. Our protest is not against any community, not against any political party. Our protest is in demand of justice for late Biswajit Deborma, and this protest is against attack on humanity. This protest is for the rights of every citizen to raise their rightful voice. This protest is against those culprits who act uncivilizedly as those of medieval period, and we strongly condemn those barbaric acts, and we also demand the state government to look into the matter, and justice is served as per law of the land. This much for today.